More PICS to come. Opportunity knocks. Move right into this beautiful ranch townhome with hardwood floors throughout and a full unfinished basement. You will love the sunny living room dining room area with sliding glass doors leading to the private courtyard. The updated kitchen has new granite counters, beautiful cabinets, recessed lighting, pantry closet, eating area, and opens to the family room. The primary bedroom has a large closet with organizer and full remodeled bath with beautiful tile and custom vanity. The second bedroom, located on the other side of the home, has a deep walk-in closet and 2 windows for fresh air and sunlight. The laundry was moved to the first floor for convenience, and the basement offers a very nice utility sink and work area where you could also have the washer and dryer. Furnace 2020, roof and gutters 2018, brick paver patio 2020, bathrooms 2018 and 19, garage door 2020, hardwood floors 2019, newer windows and siding. Assessment amount includes temporary special assessment for new roads.